Ever since I got the new front seats for my Jeep, the back seat looks a little out of place. Well, that changes today, because my new bench seat from PRP Seats came in today. Now just driving it out to the backyard so we can take a better look at it. Here is the 47-inch bench seat. I also got the JKU bracket for it. Thank you so much to PRP Seats for working with me on this. And just for good measure, here is the last shot of the stock back seat, and it's very gross. Now let's get it installed. Goodbye, old back seat. You've served me and the dogs well. A lot of Silver Lake sand in here. All right, time to put it in the Jeep.
Yep, I think we're good to toss it in now.
It's super loose right now, but once we get it in place, yeah.
We'll toss it in, get it kind of
fitted perfectly.
Yeah,
there.
I think I might have to tap some holes in the Jeep side. We changed them all to quarter 20s, so might need to
do the
add
same.
some extras. We'll see.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Yep. Everything is still loose at this point, but it looks like it fits. This is what it looks like.
Yeah, it was pretty.
Foot space is...
It's all loose right now. We still gotta go through and tighten it up, but I like the gap that we got back here. This is decent.
So yeah, it butts right up to my roll bar here, so that's perfect. As I'm looking here, I think, oh, I did the 47-inch bench seat. I could probably, how much is on the other side? Could have probably went an inch or maybe two wider with my specific roll cage. Now that may not be the case for every JKU roll cage, but other than that, oh, it looks decent.
The foot room is
a little less, but luckily the dogs don't really need foot space. Okay, let's try it out. I definitely wouldn't want to, I would not sit back here without very tight harnesses. Bad it is for you. Watch your head. Watch your head still. So the update here is that it is not the most spacious area in the back seat of my Jeep now, but it wasn't before anyways, to be honest. But I rarely ever have people in the back seat of my Jeep, and 99% of the time, it's just my dogs back there. So really, this is perfect for us. But my opinion of the back seat doesn't really matter because I'm not the one sitting back there, but who is? Puppies, you want to try your new seat? Come on, guys. Who wants to get in the Jeep? Anyone go for a ride? Can you jump in? It's a new seat. Can you do it? No, do you need help? Come on. Oh. Yeah, do you need help? Whew. Wow, new seat. But it's your turn. Ready to get in? Pay attention. Oh, good jump. Wow. Hi, bud. Do you like your new seat? What do you think? This is your usual side, Sage. Wow. You guys like it? You excited? Do you want to go jeeping? I think it's good enough. He wanted to go get his ball. That's all he cared about. Well, I think these are going to work out great. The dogs seem okay with them. We have to figure out how we're going to buckle them in now. We were thinking about getting the 5th point for a harness and then tying their seatbelt leash to that. That might work out great. I love how it looks. I don't have an ugly, ratty, stock black back seat in my Jeep anymore, so that's nice. Thank you so much again to PRP Seats for working with me on this bench seat and my front seats from earlier this year, which you've seen. But let me know what you guys think. I did not get harnesses for this back seat because it's just my dogs that go into it. And I have this bar in my roll cage back here, but it's not technically too low to be a harness bar, so it wouldn't be right to put harnesses on this anyways. But yeah, I got an expensive seat for my dogs. Giving you some more details. Okay, to give some product details on my bench seat, this is the 47-inch bench, which is the recommended size for a 2012 and up JKU and JLU, I believe. The seat bracket that I bought is also from PRP, and it is for JKUs and JLUs. I will link both the bench seat and the seat bracket in the description box below so you can see exactly which ones I got. The seat does not recline. It is a fixed back. It's meant to work, there's usually a harness bar or whatnot behind it in a roll cage. I got the hexagon stitch. This bench seat has pretty much the same customizability on the PRP website that my front seats had. On my specific seats, I did purple vinyl, yellow vinyl, and then dark gray. But all the same colors that are available on Completes are available for bench seats too. And just like my front seats, I got them in full vinyl because to me it's so much easier to wash. So the real test on this back seat is how is it going to hold up to the dogs, and am I going to want to do something to cover this bottom part to protect it from the dog's claws and whatnot. The seat itself leaves a gap like this on either side, so it really only comes up to the wheel well. So this is a new space that I didn't have before, and it's nice because my camera case fits right here, so I like that. As for the seat bracket itself, there is room under it similar to the factory one, so I've always stored my camera tripods under there, and they still fit, so that is nice. Another thing is we always have the dogs seat belted in. They wear a harness and then we hook some sort of seat belt leash to their harness. So now that I have this seat, I'm thinking what we're gonna do is hook a leash to this bar back here, have it go through the seat, and then it'll go onto their harnesses. That would be nice to keep them from crossing over each other, but another option could be to run them up through the floor as well. I think that's pretty much it. I like the back seat a lot so far. The real test will be when we take it on our first wheeling day and see how the dogs like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to the yellerfab YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe while you're here. See you in the next one.